Write this yourself. I mean, how good is that? Put your hands together for Mr. Ben Smith. Our final player. Did I hear any Parramatta supporters out there? Are there? Oh, yeah. Who's going to win the comp? See, no pressure, boys, no pressure. Okay, the next gentleman that we've got coming out. Few players have dominated the NRL. Then Jared Hayne. In 2009 he won 6 successive Man of the Match awards and inspired the Eels to a grand final appearance. He's won the Dally M's, the first Eel to win it since the mighty Peter Sterling, and he was the International Federation International Player of the Year, the Brad Fittler Medal as New South Wales Best in 09. He also represented Fiji, and Hayne is the front runner of the competition in run-ups, hit-ups, meters, kick returns. All right, let's start down here with Justin. Oh, well, you're away, is it on? Okay, what are you going to do to the Tigers this weekend?
I'll try and beat them, mate. Try
and beat them? What are our... What's your biggest hurdle out there? Do we need to worry about it for sure? Yep. Sounds good. And what's it like playing beside the big fella there, Big Benny?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Awesome. Well, that was very good, Justin. I'll move along now. Let's talk to Benny, the boy from Werris Creek. This must be all different to you, you know? I mean, electricity, carpet, tiles, all that stuff?
Yeah, mate, I haven't seen this many people here for a while. There's not many people in Werris Creek.
Now, mate, when you're on the field, do you actually pick out someone that you want a monster? Do you pick out the biggest guy on the field, or what do you do?
Well, I just do my best. Whoever runs at me, I just try to tackle them.
Now, mate, do you get nervous before a game?
Yeah, definitely.
Definitely?
Yeah, definitely.
How do you cope with it?
Mate, I sort of use that to go out on the field and just use that as energy and just do my best for the team. I enjoy the nervousness, actually.
And once you're out there, does it go away?
Yeah.
Okay, Jared, is it a train or is it a plane? What are we going to call it? How many train fans have we got? What about the plane? I mean, there's an enormous amount of pressure on you that unfortunately is just part of the deal when you're playing at your level of football, and pretty much at the end of the day you're expected to do something brilliant every time. How do you cope with that?
I just try to go out there and enjoy myself and enjoy playing with mates that I've played with for a long time. So it's a great game for the league, and I'm just blessed to be able to play with some great players.
And it'll be a lot of fun playing against Benji. I mean, he's a super player and a mate of yours.
Yeah, he's a great player, and he does a lot of tricks. Hopefully they can give me some good yardage so I can score some tries.
Good on you. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Jared Hayne, and he's playing. All right, we've got a few winners. And the prize is a Parramatta Real signed footy by all the boys here. And what we'll do, we'll start out with Level 5 Food Court up here at Glory Jeans Coffee's. Best coffee in the world, absolutely, mate. Great spot to be there, lovely staff. And the winner is Margaret Ziat.